How to convert Canva to Google Slides. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your Google Chrome or open Canva on your Google Chrome and then log into your account. Open your Canva Slides. Then you'll find Share option on top right. Click on More, then scroll all the way down till you find Google Drive. Click on that and make sure it's connected to Google Drive. Click on Connect Google Drive, then log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. You can select file type. I'll choose PDF standard. After doing that, save it. After it's saved, it will show this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on View in Google Drive. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. It's turned into PDF, or simply go to My Drive and log into your account, reload it, and you'll find the PDF in there. And that's how you convert Canva to Google Slide. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.